I am hereby directing that the Ministry of Education fast tracks and finalizes the ongoing consultations with all stakeholders that will provide us with an appropriate calendar for the gradual resumption of education in the country.
Iyo niyo yari ndumiriri ya president kuri ministry ya githomo muthenya wa madaraka akiuria rugamiriri ministry-ini iyo gutengeria mibango iria mekireire niguo gucokereria mathomo bururi-ini. Gukiri uguo muthi minister wa githomo Professor George Magoha ni ugite kamiti iria yathondekaga mitaratara iyo nirikitie na kuheana riboti ya muthia iria kuhuthirwo niguo thirikari kuheana murugamo wayo.
He presented a preliminary report to the Cabinet Secretary for the initial feedback as the team continued further consultations. The ministry is today happy to receive the final report, which has credible proposals on the way forward in seeking resumption of learning whenever it is considered appropriate as guided by the Ministry of Health and other arms of the national government.
Akiaria na andiki a mohoro Magoha ni atariirie thirikari ni ihotorete gutigirira murimu wa COVID-19 ndunatherema mathukuru-ini kuona makiria ma thukuru 351 irahuthika iri cia kuiga andu keheri-ini.
Government in consultation with development partners is putting in place mitigation measures in all schools to prevent COVID-19 from penetration to our learning institutions. We assure the public that the government will provide further direction this weekend regarding the extended closure of schools, given that some of the main COVID-19 restrictions are still set to expire, and I dare say that it will look like an open secret because as we speak, 351 public schools are being used by the government as quarantines.
Gukiri uguo riu mathomo mitambo-ini ya kiriu ni guthii na mbere ota mutugo guku akiuria ciari kumenyerera ciana ciao na kumataraga kaingi kuona kuri na amwe mamatiganeirie.
The ministry has extended lessons to provide through the broadcast online and digital learning until such time that schools are open.
Nayo riboti igie kuhingurwo kwa makanitha nirikirie gukinyio kuri mutongoria wa bururi thutha wa minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'i kugia na giikaro kia mwanya na atongoria a makanitha na kwamukira mendekithia maria maheanitwo ni atongoria aya a dini.
We will not divulge the content of the report we are going to present because we were sent to have a discussion and prepare a report. This will be communicated to the nation by the chair of the National Security Council, who is His Excellency the President and Commander-in-Chief, at an appropriate time.
Akenya ni moretio kugia na wetereri guku magithie na mbere na gwikirira mitaratara ya utheru niguo kuhotana bara ya COVID-19.
Slightly down.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV getwo nduta wa nyuthe.
Slightly down.